Hey, welcome back, custom car enthusiasts. So a little bit more rapid pace of upload for you. I know I did promise last time that I would video the entire process of the body going on the car, but honestly, we had to have this at a car show, a hot rod show in Toronto over the past weekend, so the last 3 days, and I was so busy trying to get this thing there in one piece, I didn't set up a camera and video any of it. So I thought, why not stop now? I'll take a quick pause. I have the car fully assembled, so I'm gonna take you guys out. I'm gonna show you what the car looks like, so you get to see how all of those careful measurements come together when the car is put together. I have the car sitting at ride height, bumpers are back on it. It looks like a complete finished car aside from the hood not being on it, which was for display purposes for the hot rod show. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna take you out into the shop and yeah, let's check this thing out. Okay, off to the shop. Like I said, we just got this thing off the trailer, pushed back into the shop, so it's actually even still kind of shiny from the show. This is where we're at so far. Okay, this is where we're at in our assembly process. So this is the 1960 Corvette C1. This is an original body car. This is not a clone or a replica. If you, or hopefully you have been following along the chassis series, you got to see the design and fabrication of this entire chassis. What I'd like to highlight is that because this chassis was designed for this car, we didn't have to cut the fiberglass in this car whatsoever. So this body directly bolts to that chassis, and I didn't have to modify it. So it still has a full trunk, it still has full floors. We didn't cut any part of the fiberglass for this to fit onto it. We just remade some bumper brackets, got everything located, but the chassis was able to nail our ride height, our battery placement, our motor placement, and really kind of take care of the engineering side of the car, and then just maintain the Corvette good looks, Corvette styling. Yeah, so I mentioned we were at a hot rod show in Toronto this past weekend for 3 days, and I have heard every insult that you can possibly throw at a human for customizing a car. Now, a little bit of context. For more years than I care to admit, I started my career building custom mini trucks. If you don't know what custom mini trucks are, it was a little pickup truck. We would put air ride suspension on it, scrape the ground, throw sparks out the back. Super cool, but I have been told for my entire career that whatever I do is stupid, so it has zero effect on me. But let's have some fun with it. Why don't you guys leave me a comment? Give me the craziest insult that you can come up with, or say something nice if you want to, that's fine. But I just got a batch of these new shop t-shirts in. So if you guys leave me a comment, let's see if we can put the algorithm in overdrive, and I will pick a couple of my favorite comments and I will send you guys out a shop t-shirt. How's that sound? All right, thanks as always for rocking with me. I will keep you guys updated on how the car comes. Thanks a lot, guys.